welcome to Angmur Cooking, and joining me in the kitchen today is Jack and Cameron again. And today we're going to make pancakes for Pancake Tuesday. So Jack, have you ever cooked pancakes before?
Yes, a couple times.
Today we're going to be cooking everything homemade here as usual, and we're going to be making thick American pancakes today. So we do have a few things. We've got some syrup and all that stuff, so let's cook. Okay, so in this recipe we've got our nice plain flour, and we're also going to have some sugar today with us, so we'll need that to bring out. And then this one's interesting because we actually have to melt the butter before we put it in the batter. We've got eggs, plenty of them, and plenty of milk. Let's start. Right, Jack is going to be putting the flour into our mix up all the ingredients. So he's going to put 540 grams of the stuff in, so Jack, if you do that. And 540 grams is rather a lot, but we're making a nice, fairly amount of batch for Pancake Tuesday. And we might run out of flour in that, Jack, so let's run out. Just check it all. See when they get there.
Yep, we're right.
So don't you worry, always come prepared. We've got another one ready. Great stuff. So Jack, you know what you do now? Just do what Jack's doing. It's really efficient. And also with the flour, we're going to chuck in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So I'm going to put, let's go now, 4 teaspoons of baking powder into our flour mix. That's alright. And then we're going to put in the sugar. Now we don't need to measure out the sugar this time. We don't need to weigh it up. We're just going to be, we don't even need to sieve it. It depends what type of sugar we're using. We're using granulated sugar, so we don't need to sieve it today. So let's use a fair amount of the sugar stuff. So we're going to use about 8 to 10 tablespoons, not teaspoons, at the very end, of sugar. So look at that. Now the secret to cracking eggs is just don't bash it too much or you will smash up the yolk. Just have a nice 2 hits, push in and release, and look at that. Perfectly cracked. So now Cammy is putting half a litre of milk into the measuring jar. So with this recipe it's quite unusual because we have to melt butter before adding it to our wet ingredients.
Strange.
Yes, strange. Yeah, well, what he said.
Yeah, weird.
Alright. Right folks, here's some life tips. Always wash your hands in the kitchen or you will be sick. And it has happened before. Especially in Angmur cooking. You need stir sick of salmonella. He's cooking raw beef. And that's why he's not with us today, because he died. Yep. Yeah, I think that's enough butter there. Right guys, now I'm going to be melting up this butter here. And I'm going to melt it up right until it is a liquid. We want to see no white bits left. Right, folks. So what we're
Better be ecstatic watching this video on YouTube.
all this butter, and you don't want any solids in it whatsoever. So that is pretty much all the white bits gone, and it's pretty much all fully melted. And we're going to let that cool for a bit. So Cammy's now going to pop the pan into the water, obviously try not to overfill, and that will help it cool. So now, before putting all the moist ingredients, which includes everything apart from the flour stuff, ingredients together, we're going to need to whip up these eggs. We're going to use an electronic mixer. Now at home, if you don't have one of these, you can easily use a manual one, which looks like this. But really, if you do have an electronic mixer, use it, it's a lot faster. So this is really the best pancake recipe. We're just going to make sure there's absolutely don't, and it's fully whisked up, and we get those nice bubbles on the top. And then we're going to add our cool butter. So, what do you think, Jack? Does this look cool to you?
Oh, it's very cool.
Cool. Yeah. So, and that one way that you can take, make sure you have washed your hands before, is just pop your finger in, and to me that's lukewarm. As you can see, it's very noisy in the kitchen. Just wait for this washing machine to shut up. Look at this. You know, I can't believe it's pancake day. It just crept up really fast. Alright guys, so now we're adding the butter to our moist ingredients, as Jack says.
Moist.
Good stuff. Right, now we're going to whisk that all up and mix with our dry ingredients. Our wet ingredients or dry ingredients. So this one, you just add it all at once, and then we're going to whisk it all up for our electric mixer, and before we know it, we already have the batter. So I'm doing this to get all the flour off the sides so there's nothing sticking, because if it does stick, oh, don't worry Jack, don't be picky, I didn't get there yet. Oh, I just thought of a joke. What happened to the angry pancake?
What?
It flipped. Right guys, we've got the pans greased and with some butter, and now we're going to turn down the heat a little bit. Now Cammy is going to pop some batter mixture. Right guys, now Jack is going to turn the pancake, so we're going to be looking at the pancake, not just yet, until it starts to show up nice, and it should go a wee bit of a darker colour as it starts to show its flavour. So this is what the pancake should look like. Nice spread out, and you want to make sure it doesn't burn. So now we're going to repeat the process, pop in some more batter. We just want to go round the bowl like that, and that should get some off. So we've made a nice batch of pancakes. So let's start off with a nice decent stack of about 3 pancakes. And we've got a few toppings here, and it is Fairtrade fortnight, so we have chosen to use Fairtrade hazelnut spread, and this is actually a Dutch version of Nutella, and let's try this out. Thank you very much for cooking. I'll see you next time.